live.
Hey, I'm Jason from Thirsty Dudes, and today we're going to drink Wonderfarm White Fungus Bird's Nest drink. The ingredients are water, sugar, white fungus, and bird's nest. Whatever that is. It smells fun. It has chunks in it.
Oh my god.
It's sweet. It's kind of candy-esque. This is Kevin. He's going to drink it.
Cheers.
Tastes like something.
A little strange for sure. Like, definitely has chunks in it. Whoa.
It's smooth.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
No.
It kind of tastes like cake.
Yeah.
Like cake
batter.
Jackie.
We're getting poisoned.
Here's Jackie.
I'm a little nervous. It's like cake batter.
It does taste like cake batter.
It is. It's absolutely cake batter.
Chunky cake.
Chunky cake batter.
You want to sign us out?
Yes, as Thirsty Dudes trying out White Fungus Bird's Nest. Enjoy.